Mga batang yagit, as you can tell, I look horrible, but that's because I've had a rough weekend. I barely had any sleep. But today, we are finally starting our YouTube journey because Mom keeps insisting so, just because she wants us to make a fool of ourselves. Let's just be honest. I spent some money on equipments I probably shouldn't have spent money on because me and my sister, who are the owners of this YouTube channel, are not very committed people. We really don't do things for a long time. So, okay. Well, first one, today's like an unboxing for our, to help us make our YouTube videos and to make the content a little bit more. I'm gonna start with this Gorilla Pod. Well, I really just wanted to get it anyway, even if I wasn't doing YouTube or planning to, because I need it for my camera anyway. It's really cool. I got this, it was on sale actually, and it was just like in YouTube recommended, Amazon recommended, and well, I'll try to unbox this. It's a 3K kit, which means it should be able to handle the weight of my camera. My camera is pretty little anyway. It's like this Fujifilm, just retro style, which was the reason why I picked it. Not really because of its specs. I really don't know anything about specs or anything like that. I don't even know if I'm saying specs wrong or it's even the right meaning, but yes to whatever you think it is. It's pretty cool. It supposedly can do all these things displayed here, and just grip. I need some grip in my life too, so here it is. Yay! It's a little, oh, it has that thing where you use in construction. It has that that leveling kind of stuff, like it levels the little green thing. Cool.
Kita ko no. Padool ba?
Right there. Should be able to go. Yep. And we can, that's that. Hopefully I can use this whenever it is. Next one we have is this video micro compact on-camera microphone. I need it. I don't really know why I needed it. It was just on sale anyway, and then I was just I figured
how it's supposed to look.
It's supposed to look like this, and then it should have little fuzzy thing that stops that filters out wind noises. We do go on hikes a lot, so I figured it'd be nice to bring around. Just make our voices even more crispier, because my voice probably sounds like a snooze fest right now. I have a really gritty voice. Yeah, that's the voice I have. It's pretty annoying to listen to, actually. Which, this would probably make me sound worse, but crispier. I really like crispy. Is there instructions? There's something. Ooh. Okay. This is the fuzzy thing I was talking about. Oh, it's the brand is Rode, so I think they're like pretty well known, and they do serve some good quality stuff anyway. So this is the shotgun. I think it's called shotgun mic. Not really sure. Wait, do you take this out? Yeah, you do. Ugh, there it is. This is the mic itself. Road.
Yan, saan man mo?
I have no idea yet. Quick start guide. Basically just flop. Oh, this thing is supposedly like helps with like vibration and stuff. It like stabilizes the you know. I wish it could stabilize my life too. That's that one.
Kuan, suway ko no ganang kuan. Butang sa mong camera kung work ba or whatever.
Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna video real quick and see the difference, the voice difference. How do you even use the video in this? My gosh. I have no idea how to use my camera. Okay, I'm gonna video my sister. Or should I just video me? She's my cameraman. She's using her phone. Yay. Testing out the sounds. Peace. There's that, and then I'm gonna do this real quickly. Ooh. Okay. Well, I shouldn't really have taken this out. I think there's that. And then you insert this into here. Don't really know which way.
Bagong kuha, bagong guba.
Gigibain.
Sira agad ba?
Sira ulo. Sira ulo. Oh, he has a desiccant too. I can use this for my other camera so it doesn't get out moisture. What do you even do? A6. Which one's which? Don't know. Is this one? Oh, they're both the same. I don't know.
Basig ang usa nga ikabit nimo sa camera niya, ang usa ka end kay ikabit mo oras mic.
Yeah. I don't think it really matters which one, does it?
No, I don't think so. Or asa ko na tanaw ko.
Yeah, I don't think it matters.
No, they're the same.
Okay. Except it's gonna hurt. Okay. Then I believe I should put this at the top. Not really try to put it there. Then tighten it. Is this even tightening it? I don't know. Gosh. Okay, that's high. It's like jiggling.
Yeah, asa man may kabitan ka ng kuan.
And then I think you open this up here. Oh my gosh. even do? I hope it's right. Jeez. What the heck? Is this right? Don't know. No, I don't think it's gonna fit. Palpak na. Don't fit. I mean, I'm afraid of pushing it in because, like, you know, yeah, it's not gonna fit. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, that's the finished product. It goes to show how I'm serving you some chaotic energy. This video is all about chaotic energy. And then last, well, not really last, but I got this extra bootleg, version of the Fujifilm batteries that should go with my camera.
Go impulsive buying ba?
Yeah.
Hindi mo gana.
Yeah, don't be like me.
Best example.
It also comes with charger. It has like 2 batteries. It should work with my camera. If it doesn't, well, I would not be surprised. They say thank you. And this is the charger for it. Pretty cool. Supposedly stained it up.
Sa mong camera?
No.
Para sa asa man na?
Charger for the batteries.
Asa nga battery sa camera lagi niyo?
Oh, well, yeah. Thanks. I think you do it like this. Yeah, you do it like that. And they should charge like that. How long is this video even going on? I am breaking out right now because Aunt Flo is coming to visit soon. Can't help it. And then, yeah, wait, this one can also, what? They give you 2 cables, and it has cable right here too. Oh, I guess you can 2-way to charge it, I guess. Like this way, you can plug this in. Yeah, I believe so. Oh gosh, I don't want to push it in. Yeah, that way, I guess. If you want it longer, yeah, okay. If you're okay, just being near you, right beside you, has this little version, and it neatly tucks away right there too, like this little hole cubby. It's pretty neat actually, and it should show how if the fullness of the battery itself. So it's rechargeable. Yeah, that's that. And Mom also got us a GoPro, but we've already unboxed it. Thanks, Mom. Thanks. I've always wanted a GoPro.
So we're gonna wrap things up.
Oh. We also have this ring light right here, which I already fixed because we need better lighting.
See how it works. What can you say about your ring light?
It's nice, I guess.
Does it help you?
I mean, it helps with lighting, but when talking about facial features, I don't know, it kind of emphasizes things.
Is it a blessing or a curse?
I don't know. We'll find out.
It could go like dimmer or like lighter or dimmer. So it's kind of cool, but I don't know. Face wise, I don't know.
Yeah, probably have eye bags and like there's 2 pimples coming out and like here too. But we're only human.
Alright, we're gonna wrap things up. What can you say to our suffering audience?
Thanks for watching if you are watching, and give us a thumbs up.
What? A thumbs up?
That's what it is in that's what Ate Jinamil says.
A thumbs up or a thumbs suck?
A thumbs up and then a thumbs suck in Filipino, I believe. In Bisaya, I'm pretty sure thumbs up. Oh my god, I never thought I'm gonna be saying this. We're failures. Let's get this
Aren't you
over with.
supposed to say please hit like and subscribe?
They know. They know.
You gotta
already.
say it.
Please hit like and subscribe. We need like Malaika to say this stuff for us, because I can't do it. It's embarrassing.
Alright, can't wait to use those gorilla whatever.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Say hi. Gipa.
Test number 1 for our newer ring light 18-inch round cut. Testing, round 2. No music or with music. Lower volume or high volume.
Kinaya ni mong tingog pa eh.
Hinay.
Because you're gonna like you're talking to someone, like how are we supposed to understand?
Guys,
Ana.
testing 3. Louder voice, no music, with music, lower volume, high volume. Testing 4 with the looks. Do I look ugly? Do I look human? Do I look like, I don't know, someone that lives on Earth? Because apparently not. Restart this because I'm gonna be coughing the whole time.
Kana ng pimples oh? Everyday tayo.
I know. Identify.
There's a bit like, get out of here. Say something.
Say something. What was it? Giving up on you.
Ready?
No. Start na. Huh? Hey guys. Well, today I don't know. Cut. Mga batang
Wala, pagali na!